बोले presentation is a very fine way to present ourselves. A warm morning to all. I, Sachi, with my team member Roshni, going to explain the one of the most important topic of the accountancy, which is the cash flow. So, friend, now I am going to discuss the today agenda, which I am going to cover in this section. First is what is the cash book. Second one is what are the types of the cash book. That is the single column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book, and last one is petty cash book. So friends, first question is that what is the cash book? So a cash book is a book which is it to record the transaction related to the cash. So friends, a cash transaction is one in which either the cash is paid or received. So a cash book can be defined as the book in which the receivable amount, or we can say that the amount which are received by the firm are recorded in the cash book. A cash book can be divided into two parts. First part is debit side and second part is credit side. Left hand side is known as debit hand side and right hand side is known as the credit side. So this is the definition of the cash book, and now I am going to discuss the types of the cash book. So friends, the most important types of the cash book is single column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book, and last one is petty cash book. So now first question is that what is the single column cash book? A single column cash book is generally maintained by those firm or those organization who generally don't deal with the bank transaction or the discount allow or discount receipt transaction. It is just like an ordinary cash book. It is that type of the cash book which constitute of the only one column of the amount. So friends, this is the format of the single column cash book. Single column cash book consists of the 10 column. 5 column is on the debit side and 5 column is on the credit side. So first column is that date, second column is particular, third one is the voucher number. In this, the serial number of the voucher is recorded which is received by the firm, and fourth one is ELIF, which means the laser folio, and last is the amount. In the amount of the transaction are recorded in this column, and the same column is repeated on the credit side, as like the first is day, second is particular, third one is voucher number, fourth one is laser folio, and fifth one is amounts. So this is the type of the single column cash book, and now I want to give the example of the single column cash book as like if we for example, we purchase the good from Ram by cash, then we can purchase the good by cash, then purchase account debit to cash account. So here the cash is credited, so we can write by purchases on the credit side of the cash book and put the amount on the credit side of the amount. So this is the types of the cash book, which is the single column cash book, and now I am going to discuss the double column cash book. So friends, double column cash book is generally maintained by those organization or those firm who generally deal with the banking transaction or along with the discounting option. So double column cash book can be divided into three parts. First is bank and discount column, cash and discount column, and third one is bank and cash column. A double column cash book is known as the two column cash book. It started with the opening balance. And it also ending with the closing balance. But if the opening balance of the bank is given on the debit side, then it should be so on the debit side. But if the overdraft balance of the bank is given, then we can start with the opening balance by writing by balance BD and put the amount on the bank side. So this is the format of the double column cash book. Double column cash book generally consists of the 12 column. Generally one column must be increased as like for discount or the cash transaction. So this is the double column cash book. The double column cash book provide a clear picture of the both cash and the bank transaction, or we can say that the discount transaction. Each must be used for the reconcile the bank or the cash transaction, and the sometime also we can use to record the transaction which is deal by the firm related to the discounts. So this is the types of the double column cash book, and now I want to hand over this to my team member Roshni Raj to explain the third column, or we can say the triple column cash book.
So, I hope you are clearly understand the meanings of cash book and the single column cash book and double column cash book. So, now I am deal with the topic triple column cash book and petty cash book. Triple column cash book is also known as a three column cash book, which is generally prepared by the large organization because large organization have a large amount of transaction. In each side of the triple column cash book has debit side and credit side. Left hand side are debit side and right hand side the credit side. In each side of in the first transaction of the triple column cash book is cash transaction, second is bank transaction, and third is the discount transaction related. So it is the format of the triple column cash book. Like see, left hand side debit side and the right hand side credit side. Each side of date, particular, voice number, ledger folio, discount, cash, bank. In same condition apply in credit side, date, particular, voice number, LF, discount. So now I am deal the next topic, petty cash book. The term petty is derived from the French word. Petty means the small. Every businesses have the small related transactions. So businesses uses the petty cash books. Petty cash book is the book which is recorded in the payment related to the postage, telegram, stationery. Petty cash book is the two types: simpler petty cash books and the columnar petty cash book. If we are receiving the cash from the cashier, then we enter the record in the pay. If we are receiving the cash from the cashier, then we enter the record in debit side, and we will payment the cash, then we will record the credit side. I hope you are clearly understand the all topic related to the cash book. Thank you all of you.